Sana AI streamlines document management and meeting preparation with AI tools. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. We're on the website. Click the Sign In button. Enter your email. Edit the email address. Click the Continue button. Enter the 6-digit verification code. Click the Continue button. Click the Create link. Wait for the workspace to be created. Click the Close button to dismiss the upgrade modal. Click the Share Analytics button. Next up, let's take a closer look at downloading a document. Submit to send action items, then download confirms. After this, let's walk through copying an answer. Click to copy the meeting summary. It's copied, ready to use elsewhere. Moving forward, let's see how giving feedback is done. Click the thumbs down icon to give feedback. Next, type feedback in the input field. Then, select a reason for the feedback. After that, click Submit. Finally, confirm feedback submitted and continue from the chat interface. Right next, let's check out listening to an answer. Select the AI model in the chat. Next, the model updates for prompt input. After this, let's walk through editing a document with AI. On the left, see your meeting notes. On the right, the AI-generated email draft. Next, select the email text to edit. Then, enter a command to shorten it. After that, submit the command. Moving on, the AI rewrites the email concisely. Finally, accept the changes to finalize your email. Up next, let's discover how formatting text works. Select the email subject line to edit it. Then, click the bold icon. Next, click the text style drop-down. Pick a text style option labeled Title. After that, click the More Options icon. Click outside the menu to dismiss it. Finally, view the formatted email draft ready for sharing or exporting. In the next section, we'll explore how switching to full-screen view works. Type a prompt to generate a new email draft. Next, scroll down to review the rest of the email. Then, share or open in Google Docs. Following this, we'll move on to renaming a document. Click Submit to process the meeting minutes. Next, copy the detailed AI-generated email. Finally, paste or share the content as needed. Right next, let's check out restoring a version. Click to view version history. Next, select the February version. Then, toggle to hide highlights. After that, exit version history. Finally, return to edit or share. After this, let's walk through copying a document. Copy the generated email draft. Then it's copied to your clipboard. Moving forward, let's see how adding a document to a folder is done. Add a follow-up email draft to a folder. Next, choose a folder from the drop-down. Finally, the draft is successfully saved. In the next section, we'll explore how copying a share link works. Click the Share button. Next, click the Copy Link button. Then, the link is copied to your clipboard. Moving forward, let's see how starting a chat workflow is done. On the main screen, click the Workflows link. Next, type in the search field. Then, select a workflow from the list. After that, click Skip to proceed. Enter the company name in the field provided. Click Run to generate results. Moving on, scroll to see more content. Finally, view the full preparation guide. Right next, let's check out creating a document. View meeting notes and action items, then click Create. Select Doc from the menu. Enter your prompt in the input field. Click Send to generate the document. After that, scroll down the pre-meeting briefing. Finally, review the sections on scope, priorities, and technical approach. Right next, let's check out creating an image. Choose to create an image. Next, select the source for your document. Then, type your prompt and set the output to image. After that, watch the AI process your request. Finally, view your AI-generated cover image. Coming up next, we'll dive into adding a source. Start by adding sources to your chat. Next, pick some options from the source list. After that, confirm your selection. Then, type your question in the input field. Moving on, send your inquiry. Finally, see the AI's response with relevant documents. Moving forward, let's see how starting a chat agent is done. Access the main dashboard and click on Workflows. Next, select Sales Agent from the menu. Then, type your prompt into the input field. After that, click the Submit button to generate a response. Finally, view the AI-generated response. Now let's explore the next topic. Inviting a team member. Click the Invite button. Enter your email, pick a role, select Editor, add a user group, click Send, invitation sent. Moving forward, let's see how turning on a workflow is done. Activate your meeting workflow. Next, connect Google Calendar and activate. Finally, the workflow is ready to run. Next up, let's take a closer look at favoriting a workflow. Like the workflow to save it. Then, run it anytime with one click. Moving forward, let's see how editing a workflow is done. You're viewing a workflow. Click to edit. Next, change the icon. Then, choose a color for the icon background. After that, type new information into the fields. Moving on, save your changes. Finally, see the updated workflow ready for action. Next up, let's take a closer look at editing a workflow process. On the Workflow Details page, click the Edit Info button. Next, select a trigger in the modal. Then, choose Run Manually from the drop-down. Now the trigger is set to run manually. Update the workflow title. Click Add Step. After that, type the description for the new step. Then, click the Sources button. Next, add a data source and click the Input button. Choose Text from the drop-down. Then, define a text input variable. Enter the variable name. Click the Save Workflow button. Finally, view the updated Workflow Details page with the new step added. Moving forward, let's see how searching workflows is done. On the All Workflows page, use the search field. Next, no tasks are found for the term. Then, find the Research workflow. Now let's explore the next topic, filtering workflows. Explore workflow templates by category. Next, view available categories. Then, filter by HR. After that, refine by HR agent. Now let's explore the next topic, filtering search results. Start by clicking the Sources filter. Next, select Files from the drop-down. Then, click the Date filter. After that, choose the date range. Moving on, click outside to apply the filter. Finally, view results filtered by files and date range. After this, let's walk through connecting a Google Calendar. Connect your calendar by clicking the Google Calendar button. Next, confirm your account to proceed. Then, grant Sana access to view your events. After that, see your meetings synced in Sana. Next up, let's take a closer look at meeting detail. Select a meeting for details. View recording and actions. Open video with transcript. Ready to play the video. Up next, let's discover how uploading a meeting recording works. Click on Upload Recording. Select a media file to upload. Enter a title for the meeting. Click Submit. Wait for the file to upload. Recording uploaded successfully. Moving forward, let's see how updating meeting settings is done. Enable recording for weekly retro. Next, choose when the note-taker joins. Then, save and close settings. Finally, return to the meetings list with updated settings. Next up, let's take a closer look at uploading a file. Start by clicking the Upload File button. Next, confirm your file upload. Finally, see your file listed and ready for action. The next feature we'll cover is renaming a file. Start by viewing your recent uploads. Next, choose the Rename option from the menu. Enter the new file name in the Input field. Then, click to confirm the rename. Finally, see the renamed file in the list. The next feature we'll cover is adding a file to a folder. Click Add to Folder for the file. Next, choose Demo Folder. Finally, the asset is added to the folder. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting a file. Select Delete to remove the file. Confirm the action permanently. File deletion is successful. Moving forward, let's see how Docs is done. Access the main dashboard and click Docs. Next, create a new document. Then choose Follow-up Project to open. After that, view the document details and share. Following this, we'll move on to updating an agent persona. Start by editing the agent's name. Next, customize its icon. Then, choose a new icon. After that, add a description. Moving on, configure the persona. Finally, select the default model. After this, let's walk through adding workflows. Start by searching for workflows. Next, select the Conduct a Competitor Analysis workflow. After that, add more workflows if needed. Then review and proceed by clicking Continue. The next feature we'll cover is integration detail. First, connect to the integration. Then, see the synced assets and connection status. Next up, let's take a closer look at connecting a website. On the dashboard, click the Website Integration card. Next, connect the integration. Then, enter the URL. After that, replace the URL. Moving on, see the success message. Enter a title. Finally, view the connected integrations page. Next up, let's take a closer look at adding a content. Click the Upload button to start. Next, enter your search term. Then, select the desired document. After that, click Add to Folder. Moving on, confirm the selection. Finally, return to the folder creation and finalize it. In the next section, we'll explore how removing a folder from Sidebar works. Click to add sources. Next, remove the folder from the sidebar. Then, see the removal confirmation. After that, view all folders to manage them. Now let's explore the next topic, deleting a folder. On the Folders page, click More Options. Next, select Delete Folder. Then, confirm the deletion. After that, the folder is removed. Finally, manage another folder or create a new one. The next feature we'll cover is keyboard shortcuts. Click Settings on your dashboard. Next, select Keyboard Shortcuts. Then, view your shortcuts list. Up next, let's discover how switching to dark mode works. On the main dashboard, click the Interface Theme link. Pick an option from the drop-down menu. Next, type a prompt in the input field. Then, click the title to open a focused view. After that, click the Search link in the sidebar. Moving on, click the Workflows link in the sidebar. Next, click the All Agents filter. Then click the View All link under Folders. Finally, manage your folders on this page. Coming up next, we'll dive into logging out. Sign out from the dashboard. You're logged out, ready to sign in again. Coming up next, we'll dive into updating workspace settings. We're in the Workspace settings on the General tab. Next, select the Workspace logo drop-down. Then, choose to remove the image. After that, type the new workspace name. Click Save Changes to update. Finally, see the updated workspace settings. Following this, we'll move on to disabling a language model. First, go to the Integrations tab. Next, uncheck the GPT-5 Nano model. Then, confirm to proceed. Finally, ensure the model is disabled. Now, let's explore the next topic, deleting a workspace. Scroll down the General Settings page. Next, click the Delete button. Then type the workspace name to confirm deletion. After that, click Delete in the modal. Finally, the workspace is deleted and you're returned to the welcome screen. After this, let's walk through disabling an integration. On the Integrations Settings page, select the availability for the box integration. Next, deselect the option for everyone in your organization. Then click Save to confirm the change. After that, see the box integration marked as unavailable. In the next section, we'll explore how updating meeting preferences works. We're on the Settings page under Meetings. Click the Upload Image button. Next, the custom image is uploading. Click the Meeting Note Taker name field. Then, the image is uploaded. Type a new note taker name. After that, scroll down and click the Summary Sharing drop-down. Moving on, scroll and click the Meeting Settings drop-down. Then, scroll down and select Viewer. Next, go to Meeting Participant Ownership and select Viewer. After that, click Save Changes. Finally, all changes are saved, confirmed by a toast notification. Right next, let's check out exporting account data. Scroll to view Profile Settings. Click Request Data Export. Dismiss the success notification. Refresh to check export status. Download your data. Up next, let's discover how deleting an account works. Go to Account Settings and click Delete Account. Next, enter Delete to confirm. Then click the Confirm button. After that, your account is deleted and you're redirected to the home page. In the next section, we'll explore how notification settings works. Open the notification settings. Next, modify the meeting summaries by unchecking Slack. Then, save the changes. Finally, see the confirmation and continue using the dashboard. Now, let's explore the next topic, logging in. Enter your email. Next, click Continue. Then, enter the verification code. After that, click Continue. Moving on, explore the dashboard. Sana AI streamlines workflows, empowering teams with efficient, AI-driven solutions.